The Ministry of Finance has proposed to lower the personal income tax rate from 17% to 12% for non-flat rate taxpayers from the 1st of July this year. The tax threshold of 120,000 zloty or €25,000 and the tax-free allowance of 30,000 zloty or €6,300 are to remain unchanged, according to the draft law presented by the Ministry on Thursday. The recently introduced tax relief for the middle class will be abolished, and 19% flat rate taxpayers will be able to exclude healthcare premiums from their tax base. The annual cost of the proposed tax changes has been estimated at 15 billion zloty. If these measures are well received, we want to implement them from the 1st of July, Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki told a press conference on Thursday. According to Polish law, if tax changes are beneficial to taxpayers, they may be implemented at any time. The changes the Finance Ministry has submitted for consultation will enter into force from 2023, but will apply retrospectively from the 1st of July this year. According to the Ministry, nearly 13 million taxpayers will benefit from the proposal when compared to the current situation. The planned changes are meant to correct the Polish deal, the government's flagship tax reform programme which introduced a new, more progressive tax system. Most Polish taxpayers were not satisfied with the complex changes implemented. In addition to this, those paying a flat rate tax of 19% will be able to include the health care rate of the National Health Fund in the cost of doing business, up to the amount of 8,700 zloty. So here we meet the demands of entrepreneurs and the demands of people paying a flat rate. Half of the rate paid will be deductible from recorded income, because there are no costs for flat rate taxpayers, and they know it. We also assume the possibility of single parents paying tax together with their children. We also end with the solution that was criticised by accountants, but also by others, and probably rightly so, the relief for the middle class. If these solutions are well received, we will implement them from the 1st of July. It is something beautiful how Poles and our efforts are abound around the world. The atmosphere of national unity, a kind of struggle for the highest values. The right to life, today in Ukraine. The right to freedom and sovereignty. It is not only the right of the people of Ukraine, but also the right of the people of Poland. I would also like to thank you for the fact that I have received data on the fact that retail chains that have not withdrawn from Russia have reported a drop of sales in Poland. This means that people understand that this is an absolutely exceptional time.